Welcome to another mind-blowing story from around the world. What we told you a city in the desert is making its own rain. Sounds like science fiction, right? Well, in Dubai, it's already happening. The United Arab Emirates, known for its skyscrapers, luxury, and vast deserts, is now making headlines for something unbelievable: weather control using drones. Yes, the UAE has developed a technology that literally creates artificial rainfall in the sky. The mission? Fight extreme heat and tackle water scarcity in one of the driest regions on Earth. So how does it work? These are rainmaking drones. They fly into clouds and release tiny electrical charges. The shock makes water droplets in the clouds stick together until they're heavy enough to fall as rain. No chemicals, no pollution, just pure electricity and smart science. And guess what? It's actually working. Rain has been reported in areas that rarely see a single drop. The goal is clear: reduce dependence on desalination, increase groundwater levels, and cool down the scorching desert climate. This futuristic solution may sound like something out of a Marvel movie, but it's 100% real and backed by scientists from the UK and UAE. It's part of a bigger plan to fight climate change with technology. But here's the twist. Can we control nature without consequences? Some experts warn that manipulating weather could lead to unpredictable results, like floods or climate imbalances. Still, Dubai's experiment shows the incredible power of innovation and how science may help solve tomorrow's biggest problems. So, is this the future of weather? Can humans make it rain wherever and whenever they want? Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure: Dubai just made the impossible possible. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing stories from around the world.